Lovely,
just...
lovely, lovely.
Oh, nice.
Lovely.
Hey kitchen gangers! Welcome to Moya Moy's kitchen, where cooking is love made edible. In our kitchen today, we have our cookies, our homemade chef. People, once you talk about the kitchen, you're talking about Shanti, and that is who I have in our kitchen today. My friend, my baby girl, and she's going to tell us a little bit about herself. So, yes.
Okay, by a little bit, I just guess she wanted to know my name. My name is Shanti Bonnie. I am a special educator by profession, but I really like to be in the kitchen. I really like to cook, do little videos, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. So that's a little bit that she told you that you wanted to know.
People, stay tuned. Look out for the goodness. Try it at home. Okay? Try it at home.
Well, first off, we're going to use 3 different kinds of cheese.
Yes.
We're going to use Gouda, cheddar, and mozzarella cheese.
Alright. So we have our pasta.
And we have our liquid ingredients. We have some melted butter, whipping cream, and evaporated cream.
And then we have our spices here,
Yes,
right?
so we have different spices that we're going to use. We have black pepper, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, complete seasoning, and we're going to sprinkle some breadcrumbs on top.
Alright, let's get into the goodness. So, chef, what's the first thing that we're going to do?
Alright, the first thing we're going to do is make our cheese sauce. So we're actually heating up our pan now. So we're just going to wait a little bit, and then we're going to add our melted butter first.
We're adding our butter.
Alright, and that started to sizzling nicely. And then we're going to add some evap milk and just whisk that together really nice.
Alright, so for example, if I don't have evap milk and I just have regular milk, is that okay?
Yes, you can use your regular milk, and then you can add some flour to kind of thicken up the consistency of your sauce.
Alright.
So I'm going in now with some whipping cream. And this is really good because it helps to thicken up the mixture, because I don't feel like using flour today. So I'm using these two to give me a really great consistency. Alright, so now I'm going to start adding my cheese. So I'm going to add Gouda, which is the first one. I'm just going to add, just start with like a handful and just whisk that in. And I'm going to do the same thing with the cheddar. I usually just add some until I hear stop, my child.
Your ancestors
Tell me to stop them. You know, I like mine really gooey, really cheesy. So we try to use a lot of cheese. And the mozzarella cheese will do that for you. It gives you a really nice, gooey, stretchy consistency.
Now, as I say, I'm macaroni cheese here, so
You know, you want
it should be cheesy.
Right. So we're just mixing.
So I'm going to let people see the goodness in this sauce, right?
Okay, ma'am. Our sauce is ready, so it's time to add the pasta. You can add it in the saucepan and mix it, or you can put it in your dish that you're going to bake it in. So I just want to make sure everything is covered and coated. Alright, so I'm ready to put my macaroni in the pan so that it can go in the oven. And this is what you really want it to look like. If it's too creamy for you, you can always add a little more milk or any form of liquid. So we're spooning this into my pan. I'm just going to add more cheese on top. So this is the Gouda cheese. This is our original cheddar. And pepper jack is also a good option. Sharp cheddar. Those are really good. And you guys, instead of buying the expensive brands, you know that they have these cheese wholesale. So you can get it at a cheaper cost. And your local supermarket should be able to provide you with that. Okay, this is almost ready for the oven. I'm just going to sprinkle some paprika all on top. When this comes out, it's going to look beautiful. And some breadcrumbs. Just evenly distribute that all over, not too much. And voila!
Mac and cheese is ready for the oven.
Look at that. That's our baked macaroni and cheese. All that goodness.
That's it for today, guys, on Moya Moy's Kitchen. We just want to thank Shante for coming in to do her good up comfort food, people.
Yes.
I'm sure you know it looks good. I'm telling you, it smells good and it tastes good.
Definitely.
And what are your final words for my subscribers? You know?
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Moya Moy's Kitchen. And the links will be in the description for our Instagram, and just subscribe.
Bye!
Bye, guys!